this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2011 Mazda 6, stock number 7339. It's run from the 2nd 2008 to the 11th 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory America tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory America tyre, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory America tyre, right rear door no dents, some scratches, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory America tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,